All right. Statement from the Labour Party on the outcome of the Supreme Court judgment. Please, before I proceed with telling you what the Labour Party has said and their reaction after the Supreme Court judgment, but one thing you need to understand is that Labour Party did not accept the judgment from the Supreme Court, and they have issued a press statement. But then, before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, most important. And then don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and my TikTok. My Facebook page name is Chukwu Augustine Madabuchi. Please follow me on my Facebook page, share, like, and comment. Thank you very much. So, statement from the Labour Party on the outcome of the Supreme Court judgment. And they said, "It is indeed another sad day for democracy in Nigeria. The leadership of Labour Party watched as the sacred fabric of justice and good conscience was shredded today at the Supreme Court as it delivered its verdict in the case between our party, the presidential candidate, and the APC, the presidential candidate. We are indeed very shocked and surprised that even the Apex Court withheld the line of an earlier judgment in spite of all the flaws associated with the judgment delivered by the Presidential Election Appeal Tribunal. Having conclusively exercised our fundamental right as gifted to us by the law of the land, we have no other choice but to move on. We may be disappointed and dismayed by the outcome of the exercise, but we have chosen to trudge on and to remain optimistic of what the future holds for the nation. We weep for our institution that cannot rise to the occasion and courageously defend democracy and the voices of our people. However, there are great lessons to be learned. What transpired in Nigeria since the February 25th presidential election is a clear statement that our institutions are not working and that we may be sliding towards dictatorship. It is very clear that the executive has hijacked both the judiciary and legislature. This is so unfortunate for our democracy, and it is even more for the people of Nigeria. All our forebears taught us has been destroyed within a short space of time because of the unbridled ambition of a few. The founding fathers of our political party, the founding fathers fought with their lives to achieve independence for the country. People lost their lives for the struggle to keep our democracy, and all these years, people have been struggling to achieve electoral and constitutional reform. Regrettably, all of these efforts and struggles have been destroyed today. It is also pertinent to put on record that we have it on very good authority that the government may have marked our Labour Party's key leaders, myself, that is Abure speaking, especially, and our leader and presidential candidate, Mr. Peter B, in particular, for vilification in order to suppress the party, suffocate our team, and our goal of a new Nigeria. The planned persecution, intimidation, suppression, and harassment of our leaders using security agencies and all other government institutions will be definitely defended. We are therefore calling on all our members and the obedient family to be vigilant and brace up for the challenge ahead. The struggle for a new Nigeria will certainly be tortuous and hard. We are also calling on the international community to rise to the occasion to defend democracy in Nigeria. Your voices were loud and clear in condemnation of the outcome of the presidential election. As we approach the next stage of our democratic journey, we call on you to stand by the millions of Nigerians who are already pushed beyond their limit into unnecessary hardship and penury. Finally, we urge the Nigerians not to lose hope in our country, though we are paying a huge price to achieve a Nigeria of our desire. We are hopeful that we will get to our destination someday, because where there is a will, certainly there will be a way. A new Nigeria is possible. Signed, Barrister Julius Abure, National Chairman, Labour Party. This is their press statement. Don't forget to watch, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, and like. Thank you very much.
Have been destroyed today. It is also pertinent to put on record that we have it on very good authority that the government have marked some Labour Party key leaders, myself especially, and our leader, our presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi in particular, for vilification in order to suppress the party, suffocate our team, and our goal of a new Nigeria. The planned persecution, intimidation, suppression, and harassment of our leaders using security agencies and all other government institutions will definitely be defended.